Hi, everybody. It's me, Rocky. Everybody want to know how it's created. So, me and Steve decided to create a family for me. So, Steve, me and myself, we're going to show you guys how I was created. So, I'll be doing some videos and Steve showing you exactly how I was created while in the process of creating me a family. So I hope you enjoy. Looking forward to these upcoming clips of Steve creating my family. So I'll see you guys around and hopefully I'll have a family by Christmas. We'll see what happens, but we can always hope.